Like me and you love to clean your car, but you know how frustrating it can be to dry it off without leaving the streaks or water spots, then you definitely want to listen up for a second. I did get this towel for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review, but I'm so super excited to let you know what I thought of it. My first impression was that this towel is massive. It's 24 by 36 inches and it's made from like an ultra absorbent microfiber. The double twisted velvet design feels super soft, so I know it won't scratch my car's paint, which is a big thing with me. It's lightweight, but it feels high quality. And after washing my car, water droplets and streaks can make it look so less than perfect, and it absolutely drives me insane. So when you've done a great job cleaning, the last thing you want are water streaks. So most towels just move the water around. This towel is a total game changer. It glides smoothly over the surface and absorbs water with just one pass. So no streaks, no spots, and no lint left behind. It even works great on larger vehicles like my SUV and our truck, thanks to its extra large design, but we use it for all of our vehicles. And you can imagine how much water this thing holds. We actually dry off this entire Volkswagen Jetta and we don't have to wring it out one time. So it makes drying our cars so much faster and easier. So I would definitely recommend this extra large car drying towel. It's super absorbent, efficient, and very gentle on our car's paint.